In this video, we'll share strategies and steps to take your dropshipping store to $250K per year in 2025. Identifying a profitable niche is key to success. We'll show you how to find trending products with high demand and low competition. Building a high-converting store means designing an e-commerce site optimized for conversions that turns visitors into buyers. Effective advertising strategies are essential. Learn how to run profitable ad campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Optimizing for customer retention involves using email and SMS marketing to nurture leads and create repeat customers. Streamlining operations and automation saves time. Automate processes like order fulfillment and customer support. Analyzing and scaling your ads is key to achieving that $250K a year target. Learn to optimize and reinvest in your best ads. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap for growing your dropshipping store efficiently and profitably.